Listen. I'll burn you right now. You got to be home by a certain curfew.
Oh! Yo, is your mom calling?
Nah. Let's get it though.
Hey, honestly, is your mom?
Nah, hey, be for real. Hey, seriously.
Yo, who is this? Go, 1, go.
Ha, don't you just love it when the cocky Tesla driver gets smoked? Anyway, in this next clip, I've got another twin-turbo Audi R8 that makes 1300 horsepower. Let's check it out in another race.
Discuss working with you on your next project.
Are you gonna win? You go. On the light? Let's do a roll. One sec. You ready? You go. You didn't expect that. I know you saw the 392 budget, you don't understand. I think he wanted, man. What they talking about?
Oh, jeez. Yes. Go, Bugatti, go. Oh, yes. And he's gone. Just by a smidge.
Damn, that BMW driver didn't do too bad of a job for how much of a head start that Tesla driver had. Anyways, I've chucked a bunch of TikToks and Instagram reels together, so enjoy them and make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. I'm on my way to 1,000 subscribers, so that would really help me out a lot. Thank you and enjoy the rest of the video.
Green, there it is, and the Tesla gets it jumped, but not by much over Gardino. Whoa, look at those right there. A little bit loose. Oh, side, whoa, whoa. Off of four, Gardino down to the inside. Oh, man, Gardino was not going to lose.
During the last event at Colorado National Speedway, fans decided to test how the Cybertruck, which 𝐿 compared to the Porsche 911, would actually handle the corners. They chose a 30-year-old Corvette C4 Grand Sport as its competitor. Let me know in the comments if this was the result you expected.
Let's go! Oh, you get down, bro! Get him! Go, baby, go! Come on! Come on! Find the gear!
No, I don't think so. Everyone is fine.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. How are you doing?
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
What are you doing with that?
We're trying to figure out how to put gas in the car. I'm sorry, not gas, but in the tire. Can you help me instead of taking video?
Do you know what that is?
No. What is it?
That's propane.
Oh shoot! Thank you for letting us know.
Yeah.
Where is the gas? Oh, it's air water down there. Sorry. Thank you for letting us know.
Yeah. I thought you were trying to blow the thing up.